I'm loading my client's databases 20% faster, and in 2 minutes, I'll show you how to do it. Today, we don't need programming. We will create the table through the interface. So we are now creating a table named products with the comment, these table an example how to create quickly it. The first column is ID, which will be auto increment. Next, we add the second field, product underscore name, which is mandatory varchar with a length of 255 characters, and this field can also be null. The third field is manufacture, also mandatory varchar with a length of 255 characters, and this field can also be null. The fourth field is product underscore count, which we can make int up to 11 characters. And the last column is price, the type of which will be decimal with 10 characters before the decimal point and 2 characters after it. Now we can click the Save button and our table will be created. We encountered an error related to the product underscore name field because it is not allowed to leave problems in the column name. Let's fix that now. We have corrected it. Click Save again and successfully save it. Now in the left list of table names, right-click on the newly created table and select Export to. Then select the checkbox next to our table and specify the path where we want to save it and the file name. And finally, click the Export button. We have successfully exported our table.